The new M4 MacBook Air is here, and it's everything we love about Apple's lightweight laptop, just better. It keeps the same sleek, fanless design but packs the latest M4 chip, more base memory, and even a tiny battery bump. Oh, and the price dropped back to $999, making it one of the best tech deals of the year. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade, this might be it. Let's talk specs. The base model now starts with 16 gigabytes of unified memory finally, and 256 gigabytes of storage. That's a huge win for everyday users who hate slowdowns. The M4 chip is blazing fast, just like in the iPad Pro and Mac Mini. It handles everything from 4K video edits to AI-powered apps without breaking a sweat. Sure, it's passively cooled, but unless you're rendering feature films, you'll never notice. Design-wise, almost nothing's changed. Same thin aluminum body, MagSafe charging, 2 USB-C ports, and that infamous notch. But Apple snuck in a few tweaks. A sharper 12MP webcam with center stage and a slightly larger battery. Oh, and there's a new color, sky blue. Though, let's be real, it's more like is it blue or silver the laptop. Performance is where the M4 shines. It's wild how much power Apple squeezes into this entry-level machine. Editing 8K footage, scrubbing through timelines like butter? Yeah, the Air can do that now. Most buyers won't push it that hard, but it's nice knowing you could. And with AI tasks like background removal or photo enhancements, the 16-core neural engine makes everything feel instant. Now, the display. Here's my one gripe. It's still a 60Hz LCD panel. No mini LED, no promotion. After using a MacBook Pro, the Air's screen feels fine. Not bad, just basic. I wish Apple would trickle down some Pro display tech. But hey, for $999, it's hard to complain. Most people won't care until they see a Pro side-by-side. Battery life, as stellar as ever. That extra 2% capacity won't blow your mind, but the M4's efficiency keeps it running all day. Streaming, browsing, light work, you're covered. And if you do need more power, the M4 Mac Mini with fans is there. But for portability, the Air's still king. Should you buy the base model? Actually, yes. 16 gigabytes RAM makes this the first Air where the cheapest config doesn't feel like a compromise. Need more storage? Fine, but prepare for Apple's brutal upgrade pricing. Or just grab an external SSD. Pro tip: the M2 Air is now $799 at Best Buy. Great for tight budgets, but that 8 gigabytes RAM might sting later. Who's this for? Students, remote workers, casual creators. Anyone who wants a no-nonsense laptop that won't lag. If you're on an Intel Mac or older Air, the leap to M4 will feel massive. Pros needing more ports or a better screen should still look at the Pro, but for 90% of people, this is the sweet spot. Bottom line, the M4 MacBook Air is boringly excellent. No flashy redesigns, just smart upgrades where they matter. Faster chip, more RAM, lower price, it's the Goldilocks laptop. And that barely blue color? Sure, why not? What do you think? Is the M4 Air your next laptop, or are you holding out for something else? Drop a comment below, and if you found this helpful, give it a like. Catch you in the next one.